Pageant Trends official. Let me call Mr. Greatman Pangasinan, La Pastorla, and you too, I'm Siri. Okay, here's my question. What qualities should a title holder have? Mr. Pangasinan.
Hello, my name is Jesher, Greatman Pangasinan. Actually, for me is we have in advocacy, and I have an advocacy. And my advocacy is a farm boy. That is for me. Thank you.
Next. Okay.
There are, it depends on what you prefer. If you have the title, what can you have or what can you give? But for me, the qualities of, a title holder should be responsible and should always think of someone who is bigger, than every situation. Like, he understood his job, he understood his responsibilities. So yeah, that's gonna be that's gonna be the qualities now.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Jay Malyari and the Greatman Labastarla. Well, the title holder should possess being determination determination, maliban sa pagiging determinado sa ginagawa niya. Matapang rin dahil bilang isang lalaki, naniniwala ako na ang pagiging lalaki ay marunong humawak ng responsibilidad sa ginagawa niya.
Thank you, La Paz, Butuan, and province of Pangasinan.
Alright, so I'm Joseph of Ikanaguan. So I would like to call Mr. Tacloban, Greatman Iligan, to guide this episode. Here is your question. Is this your first time to join a national pageant? If not, what are your preparations for your comeback to bring home the crown in Greatman of the Universe Philippines?
I think that question is for me. Yeah. After the information of everyone, this is my second edition of Greatman of the Universe Philippines. So I joined last 2022, and my preparations for my comeback for this year is that I do really assess myself during my rest last year, 2023. I do really assess what was lacking, especially physically. My one insecurities in me is my physical. So yeah, I do really work out, and then I do drink supplements and all just to achieve this. No, this is not really 100% physically healthy, but yeah, there is an improvement in my body. And the second one is of course, my Q&A, the pasarela. I do really train myself to be able to, to fulfill what was lacking last 2022. So yeah, this is me, and this is the comeback. Thank you.
To answer this question, I have always this code in me that to become who you wanted to be, you must sacrifice who you are. To become a great man at the Universe Philippines 2024 and prepare myself in this competition, I have to work hard and I have to earn more of my capabilities and also the purpose that I have made in my life. And I believe that Great Man of the Universe Philippines 2024 is becoming strong, brave, and fearless. And why? Because becoming strong to carry all the responsibilities of the Great Man of the Universe Philippines 2024, brave enough to face all the challenges ahead, and also fearless. Fearless to explore more things about this competition and also to myself. And that is my preparation to become a Great Man of the Universe Philippines 2024. Thank you.
Thank you, Iligan City, Tacloban City.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Midvir Vantas, your great man Tacloban City. So for the information of everybody, and I guess the budget blockers also knows this, that I'm already a candidate for the Philippines in international. Why join again in national pageant? Because this is one thing that I'm lacking, because the fulfillment is different from winning in the national, and at the same time you will represent the Philippines in international stage. So the preparation, as you see in my physical body, I prepared a lot. So I go to the gym 5 to 6 times a week, and also I read a lot so that my information will be more. That would be all. Thank you.
Hello, thank you. Can I call Mr. Malik Isabela, Coronadal, and Negros? What delicacies in your provinces that best describe your personality and why? Mr. Negros.
Good afternoon. I'm Hil Oliver Rodriguez from Negros Occidental. The food that I want to share to everyone is the kansi, where it's originated in Negros, specifically in Bacolod. We're infusing a sinigang with abatuan, that is a agent for giving a sour twist to a food. And I want to share it to everyone because it has a lot of difference in your food in here, and I want you to try it out. Thank you.
Thank you, Negros Occidental. Malik Isabela.
Para sa akin, sa aming municipality, ang produkto sa amin is dairy milk. Sa Malik Isabela, may mga bakahan po doon, tapos yung mga bakahan po doon, yung gatas po din, binibigay sa mga bata na may mga sakit sila.
And Coronadal, South Cotabato.
A delicacy that I would like to share from my hometown, Coronadal. It might not be originated from there, but my grandma,
Wala pa.
Please continue.
my grandma, she's from Coronadal, and she makes this really good salad that really fills me up with energy and makes me feel good.
Thank you so much, Negros, Malik Isabela, and Coronadal.
Gusto kong tanongin sa isang Vales. Saka si Tarlac. Saka si...
Sino mo sa Tarlac?
Concepcion Tarlac. Saka si... Summer. Do you consider this contest as your stepping stone to enter showbiz?
For me, yes. Because every opportunity na dumarating ay tinatanggap ko. Because I believe that hindi natin alam ang purpose natin in life. That's why every opportunity na dumadating is tinatanggap ko dahil hinahanap ko ba sa aking sarili. Thank you.
Yeah, yes. For me, yes. Ito yung tulay para maabot natin yung natin, personal growth natin sa sarili. Ito yung isang magdadala sa inyo ng tutupad na isa yung pangarap. Thank you.
Well, I believe life is too short. If someone offers a door, then why not accept it? If someone gives you an offer, if it will boost what you have, then I believe you get it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can we call on Bacolod, San Manuel Tarlac, and Misamis Oriental? Okay, my question is very simple. How do you see yourself 5 years from now after this pageant? Can we start with Bacolod, please?
Thank you for the question. For me, actually, we cannot really determine our future in the next 5 years. But I think that we should really focus on our certain opportunities that are arriving in our lives. And I think for me, as a student, 23 years old, I would rather take all the risk that is coming inside my life. Because at any moment, anytime, I think that one opportunity will always lead to a different lifestyle. That would be all. Thank you.
Mr. San Manuel Tarlac, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Christian from the Great Man Kingdom. I see myself 5 years from now sharing my experience in my pageant life. That is one of my dreams, to sharing my experience, my knowledge on this pageant. I want to share my experience in you in pageantry. I would like to be an inspiration that even if I am not a pageant material, even if some people tell me that thing, even if I am not that tall, not too handsome, and not too white, I want to inspire them that even if they are not a pageant material, they can join the pageant and I hope they can win. Thank you.
Hello. If I were to decide what would I be at 5 years from now, is that I want to be a success. I mean, all of us want to be a successful person. But for me, maybe I want to be a successful flight attendant. But if not, I want to also to be a celebrity soon. But most of the time I always think that I think we don't need to pressure ourselves on what would we want in the future. But instead, we should enjoy what is in the present, because after all, we only live once, and the important thing living in this world is to enjoy what is in the present, and expect positively what is in the future. So that's what I think.
Thank you so much. Can I call on Mr. Tapas Tarlac, Mr. Concepcion Tarlac, and Mr. Valenzuela? My question is, if and when you are selected to represent the country abroad, right, how would you describe and promote the Philippines? Can we start with Mr. Valenzuela, please?
Right. So I will start by promoting our natural landscapes, of course. The mountains, the seas, falls, especially dilapidated. And after that, I would like to welcome them to our Philippine streets, because that is where they will experience the true ugali ng mga Pinoy. Hindi chismoso, kundi pagiging hospitable sa mga tao, sa pagiging friendly, sa pagiging kind, di ba? And of course, I would like to explore them to different governments, what's that called? Sustainability that the Philippines promotes. Like my advocacy that it resonates with art with environment, or art for environment. With this, I experienced this in my high school days, in my senior high school days, or college days, where we save our environment by having sustainable practices, like making arts from waste products, from making them into beautiful and useful products. And I would like to let them explore the different kind of things that we have that we promote. All right. So that will be all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Valenzuela City. And let's move to Kapas Tarlac.
Same question. I will represent Philippines sa ibang bansa. I will promote the culture and the tradition we have, and lalo-lalo na yung mga everything that we have na pwede nga natin ipagbalik sa ibang bansa. And I will like to promote my advocacy, like health and wellness among the youth, because living an active and healthy lifestyle is crucial for personal development. And through this platform, I aim to inspire the young people to prioritize their health, engage in physical activities, and make informed about their nutrition and lifestyle. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Kapas Tarlac. And Concepcion Tarlac is next.
Yes, thank you. Kung mabibigyan ako ng isang oportunidad, pag malaki yung ating bansa, hindi ko ipagkakailan na imbitahan sila sa ating bansa na ipakita sa kanila na tayo yung masarap magluto, may masarap tayong pagkain, at may mga magandang tanawin lalo na sa mga beach. Ganun. Sa tingin ko naman is magugustuhan nila. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much. And that is the end of our question and answer portion with our media. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Alright, boys, you may now return to your places. And of course, this event would not be possible without our loving and ever generous sponsors. And our pageant media, Critical Beauty Philippines, Eventology, TPP, Philippine Pageants, Pageant Talk PH, Pageant